Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you craving something rich, decadent and intensely chocolatey, but you don't want a massive cake? Well, today is your lucky day. We are making the ultimate treat for chocolate fanatics, our incredible triple chocolate mini cakes. We are going all out. These mini marvels have intense choco flavor in the sponge, melted chocolate chip inside, and are topped with glossy finger-licking chocolate sauce. They are perfectly portioned, wonderfully moist, and deliver a powerful punch of chocolate in every single bite. The best part, they are surprisingly quick and easy to make. So forget saving room for desserts, grab your favorite chocolate and let's get baking. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, to make the chocolate sauce, in a bowl add 100 grams or half cup sugar, add 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1/4 cup or 25 grams cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup or 240 ml fresh milk, and then whisk it until cocoa powder is nicely dissolved. Make sure that there are no lumps. Then simply add it to the hot pan and cook it on a low flame. Keep mixing it until it gets nice and thick. As you can see that it's getting nice and thick now. It should take around 15 minutes. Make sure do not increase the flame as it will burn. Be patient and keep mixing it on a low flame. So the chocolate sauce is ready now. Make sure the consistency is something like this. Also, if you run your finger on the back of the spoon, it should show this impression. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then to make the triple chocolate mini cake, simply place the sieve on top of the bowl and then add 2 cups all-purpose flour, half cup or 50 grams cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and then simply sieve all the dry ingredients. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then take a bowl, add 2 whole eggs, 1 cup or 200 grams castor sugar, 1 cup or 240 ml fresh milk, half cup or 120 ml cooking oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla paste or essence. Then whisk it until it is nice and smooth. Make sure that the sugar is nicely dissolved. When ready, simply add the dry ingredients. Make sure to add little at a time. Then simply whisk it until smooth. Then keep adding the remaining flour little at a time. And whisk it until it is nice and smooth. Then add the last remaining dry ingredients and then fold it with the help of the spatula until it is nice and smooth. Make sure the consistency is something like this. Then add half cup dark chocolate chips and then give it a nice mix. Then take 10 mini aluminum foil cups, Make sure the size is something like this. Then simply take about 2 tablespoons melted butter and brush some melted butter on the cups. Make sure to brush it properly on all the sides. Then simply fill 1/3 cup with cake batter. And then simply add the chocolate sauce. Make sure to give it a nice mix before adding it. Add about 1 tablespoon in each cup. Then top the remaining cake batter. Then add some milk chocolate chunks on top. And bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. So the triple chocolate mini cakes are ready. Then allow it to cool down completely. And there you have it guys, your very own intensely decadent triple chocolate mini cakes. Just look at that moist crumb and the rich glossy ganache. These little cakes are the perfect way to satisfy a serious chocolate craving without having to bake an entire full-size cake. I truly hope you enjoyed making this recipe. It's perfect for gifting, a small celebration, or just a deeply satisfying treat for yourself. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below who you shared these little gems with. If you love this recipe, then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow bakers, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.